Hello, this is part 2 of a two-part series on how to locate and install videos in your course. Part 1 described how to locate videos in the GGU database. In this screencast, part 2, I will be describing how to install the videos either as a link or as embedded code. First, let's pick a video from the Films on Demand database. I'm going to go to a section on management and I'm going to click organizational behavior. And for example, let's say we are interested in Facebook. Well, I don't want to copy the whole video because it's 44 minutes in this example. I think I'd like to view the segments in the video. So let's say we pick targeted marketing. This is a segment in the video, and we can see that it's 1 minute and 30 seconds. And if you wanted to second check to make sure this is the film you wanted, of course you could play it. Okay, let's say you decided you want that. Okay, so since we're going to be creating a link, what we're going to do is copy this segment URL. And when I drag my mouse across it, I go all the way out to the edge just to make sure that I copy the whole line. Since I'm using a PC, I will be right-clicking on it and selecting the whole thing. Next, I'm going to go into my online course. I'm going to add a resource and I'm going to pick link to a file or a website. I'll give it a name, Facebook video. Let's call it target marketing. And then we can put some instructions there. And then we're going to come down to link to a file or website. And here's where we're going to copy and paste the link. Then we're going to come down to window and make sure that this is set to a new window. And what that means is that when the video is played, it will be played in a separate window that will not overlap your course. Then we'll come to the bottom and click on Save and Return to Course. So here's what it looks like. Note the icon, the globe on the piece of paper there, and Facebook videos. So when your students are ready to see it, they would click on it. A second window will open like this one. I'll expand it here, and they'll see exactly this and get to play it. And when they're done, they can close the window and they will be back to your course. Okay, so that's how to do it with copying the link. Let's move on to a second technique, which is to embed the video into your course. Okay, so now I am back into the Golden Gate database. I'm going to scroll down here again, go back into organizational behavior, and continue working with the Facebook obsession. Okay, and we'll do view segments in this video, and we're going to pick a different one. Let's pick data gathering. Say we're interested in this portion of the Facebook video. And so to embed it, you're going to click this link, embed this video. Once you do that, you're going to see a bunch of code. And you're going to copy the code. Make sure you get all of it. It should begin with div and end with script. I'm going to copy that. And next we'll go back to our Moodle class. Once we're back in the class, we're going to be picking add a resource, and this time we're going to pick compose a web page. we're going to give it a name, Facebook video data gathering. And then we're going to come down here. Okay, so this is the part where you really have to pay attention. We're under Compose a Web Page. That's the first thing to remember. The second is we're going to toggle this on. When you roll your mouse over it, it'll say toggle HTML source. So we're going to click on it. You know you've done it correctly when all this turns gray. And you can even already see some beginning code there. So I'm going to erase that, and I'm going to copy and paste all the code that I copied from the GGU database. Then I'm going to come down here, and like last time, we're going to set this to New Window, and then Save and Return to Course. You will notice in this version of the embedded video that is a different icon there. That's because we picked Compose a Web Page. Alright, so then, oh, I misspelled Facebook there. But if you're a student and you're going to watch this film, you would click on the link, and this is what would happen. You get a smaller version, probably run faster than the other linking version. And if they click on play, and there you go. So it depends on your preference, which either one that you would like. And do you remember how to correct a misspelling? You might as well take the opportunity just to open it up there and put the O in. Save and return to course. And everything is fixed. Okay? Hope this was an enlightening screencast. Thanks for watching. Bye.